What's up, YouTube? I wanted to do a recap of all the autographed photos I have in my album here. I've been doing, as you guys know, I've been doing a lot of TTM, and I've been sending a lot of these photos out to get signed. I just want to show you everything I have. I had a few people wanting to see it. Here's a King Kong Bundy. I got this one signed in person at a match. I remember it was Marietta, Ohio. I got this Buff Bagwell TTM a few months ago. We got this Tommy Dreamer in the mail this year. Got this Dan Severn in person at a wrestling match in the 90s. We got this Ricky Morton in the mail. This was my favorite band in high school. It was a band called Bride. This is a guitar player. And here was the lead singer. I think we're Facebook friends now. And there he is again. And this was a lead singer for a band called Barren Cross. They were one of my favorite bands also. We saw them live like 8 times. There's some more Christian metal bands from the 80s. Autograph of Jordan Patton. He was 3rd on Face Off on the Sci-Fi show, and he was also in our movie, The Bung Fathers Make a Horror Movie. He was our FX guy in it. Got this Brandy Chastain autograph at a golf tournament in the 90s. We met Joe Walsh at a fantasy camp in Florida. He signed that for us. He also signed like 75 records for me that day. Got this Randy Owen through the mail. Got Bone Thugs and Harmony, Crazy Bone and Wishbone in person in 1999 because they marked it 1999 here, so. Found him randomly at an airport. Just got Fred Dryer in the mail the other day. That took a long time. It took like 3 months or something. But I met him at the airport at the Hall of Fame in Canton. Just got Fred the Hammer Williamson back in the mail last month. He was one of my favorite actors. He also played for the Raiders, also played for the Chiefs. He's a great ball player. We got Jessica Lynch at a mall. She's from my area. And this is right after she came back. About a year after she came back, and she was still having problems with her injuries from over there. But yeah, she was really nice. Just got this about a month ago in the mail. John Ashton. He was in the Green Mile. You might know him as the Beverly Hills Cop. Got the King, Richard Petty. I took this at South Beach at a party. He signed that for me. Got Scott Hamilton through the mail a few months ago. That was him and I at a golf tournament in the 90s. Here's Tom Cousineau. That was from a signing that we had with him during a Buckeye game back in 2001. Here's an Archie Griffin autograph. We got this, he was doing the opening of a Lowe's in Marietta, Ohio. That's been a long time ago. Got Coach Cooper in the mail a couple months ago. I got Marcus Merrick in the mail a few months ago. He was in the USFL. He used to be the all-time tackle king at Ohio State. Upside Down Sean Springs. Got that in the mail a few months ago. I got this Joe Germain in person when I had him for a signing. Probably about 2005, I think it was. Got Craig Krenzel in the mail. He was a national championship quarterback for Ohio State. Just got this Pete Johnson back a few weeks ago. We had him for a card show. I used to be a sports marketing agent. We used to get athletes for card shows and stuff. Here's Major Harrison at my shop, probably 10 years ago. Here's Rasheed Marshall he was a WVU quarterback, played for the 49ers. This was at a card show I booked him at. This was a card show I booked Quincy Wilson at. He was a running back for the WVU and also the Bengals. And the little girl's in my arms is my daughter. She's 18 now, so this has been a while ago. Got this at the Super Bowl. It was some kind of golf tournament. I got Mel Renfro at the Hall of Fame several years ago. Had him sign that. Got Tony Dorsett to sign my photo through the mail. Cost me $10. Got Moose Johnston through the mail. Got Andy Russell last month through the mail. I like how he made a little arrow to point them to him. I got Lynn Swan to sign my photo. I was so surprised. I got that in 1999 at a card show. There's another Andy Russell. It's kind of dark right here. You can barely see it, but yeah, he signed it. Got Rocky Bleier back through the mail a few months ago. Got this at a Super Bowl at the golf tournament. Javante Dawson. Same tournament, I got Cordell Stewart. That was when Cordell was still a quarterback for the Steelers. So it's been years ago. This was the first signing I ever had in 1999 with Greg Pruitt at a card shop that I had at one of my first card shops. My first card shop was in 1990. Had it open for a little while, closed it down, then opened up another one in 99. Here's Cleo Miller. Got that through the mail. Got Tim Couch at a Super Bowl signing a long time ago. I think it was at the Atlanta Super Bowl that Ray Lewis got arrested at. Got Reggie Langhorne through the mail. I actually booked a lot of shows for Dante Lavelli. He was a good friend of mine. He signed that for me. We took this at a golf tournament in Florida one time. He was a super nice guy. One of my probably best friends as far as Hall of Famers. There's Ickey Woods. There's a show that we booked him at. He was an hour late for that show. Isaac Curtis. It's another show we booked at. We got him. We just got that Charlie Joyner in the mail a month or two ago. Here's one I'd like to get signed. This is the picture of Ray Lewis about 6 hours before he got arrested for murder at the Super Bowl. We spent about 45 minutes with him. He was a cool guy. Got Mark Rippon at the Mario Lemieux golf tournament. Chris Samuels, he's actually the one that took that Bone Thugs and Harmony photo I showed you earlier. He got his picture taken with him too. And he was a number 2 draft pick for the Redskins that year, I think. This is back in the day when I was friends with Ricky Williams. He played for the Boll Weevils. And I was a manager at a Blockbuster Video then, and I used to knock all his late fees off. He was a really cool guy. I got some real good stories about him, I could tell you. I may do a story time sometime. Eric Dickerson, got that signed through the mail a few months ago. Lou Holtz, got that signed in the mail a few months ago. Steve Berline, I got that at a golf outing, Super Bowl. Dave Wilcox, got that through the mail for $5 or $10, I can't remember. Jerry Glanville, got that through the mail recently. Got Jim McMahon to sign that at the Mario Lemieux golf tournament. Lenny Moore, I got that signed at a Super Bowl golf tournament. Just got Archie Manning back through the mail. Paid Len Dawson $5 to sign that for me through the mail. Got Mike Rozier to sign that for me through the mail. Got Leroy Selman to sign that at a golf outing. Got Sonny Jurgensen to sign that through the mail for $5. Paid $5 or $10, can't remember, to Joe Theismann to sign that for me. Got that signed in Hall of Fame, not Dwight Stevenson. Got Brian Cox at a golf outing. Larry Little signed that through the mail for me. Dave Robinson signed that for me through the mail. Mike Golick signed that for me through the mail. Got Jim Hart through the mail. Just got Billy Kilmer through the mail. Got Herman Moore at a golf outing at a Super Bowl. Got Rex Kern through the mail. I used my address on that, so it wasn't a P.O. box, so he actually signed that one for me. Bernie Carbo signed that for me through the mail. I actually got a return to sender from him the other day. Got Jim Palmer through the mail for $10. Got Ken Hurtbeck for $5 through the mail. I think a few of these guys ended up in the major leagues. It was Robert Berger, Dave Coggin, and Jason Kirschner. I know Kirschner, he was one of my best friends on that team, and I know he played for, I think, the Blue Jays and the Padres, and he was a left-handed pitcher. And I think Coggin made it to the Phillies. I thought those guys were going to be great. This was A-ball. I think Berger threw a perfect game that I watched that year. John Havlicek, I got that at a golf outing. Got Bob Cousy through the mail. Hal Greer at a golf outing. I got Rick Barry at a hotel. Mark Recchi at a golf outing. This is one of my favorite ones. Sam Sneed. This is at his house. He actually invited us into his house. We sat there and watched golf with him for like 45 minutes. And the whole time he was trying to hustle me and my buddy to play him for golf for money. Which we would have done, but he wanted he had too much money on the line. He wanted $100 a hole. We were trying to do $10 a hole. There's Doug Ford. Got that through the mail. Dow Finsterwald. Got that through the mail. Can't see this very well, but it's autographed by Stacy Valentine. I got that in person. Serenity I got in person. Stephanie Swift I got in person. D I got in person. Johnny Black I got in person. Cheyenne Silver I got in person. And we just got these back today. Auto Bob Lilly. I wasn't keeping count how many I got, but I got a bunch of them through the mail this year. Hopefully you guys enjoyed my collection, and I'm going to keep on trying to get it to grow. It really excites me whenever I get my photos in the mail that I took. It's really cool. But hey guys, thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe, please hit all, that we get to see all my videos. Thanks guys. Peace.